With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So question says that the match the catalyst in column 1, right? So we have to match the catalyst in column 1 with the product which is in column 2, right? So in the column 1 we have given the catalyst, and in the column 2 we have given the product, right? So here are the catalysts. Catalysts are V2O5, TiCl4, AlMe3, PDCl2 and iron oxide, right? And here are the product, right? So let's try to solve this question. And question says that in the column 1 we have given the catalyst, right? So if I talking about the column 1, right? So if I'm talking about the column 1, and in the column 1 the A catalyst, right? So A catalyst is V2O5, right? So the A catalyst is V2O5, right? I can write here as which is V2O5, right? This is vanadium pentoxide, right? So this is V2O5, right? So it is used in the contact process, right? So it is used in the contact process, right? Contact process, right? So and this contact process is used for the manufacturing of the H2SO4, right? It is used in the manufacturing of the H2SO4, right? So in the manufacturing of H2SO4 we used a V2O5 as a catalyst, right? And if I talk about the option B, or you can say the B catalyst is given like this, right? So it is TiCl4, right? So it is TiCl4 and aluminium, right? And this is trimethyl, right? So I can say that trimethyl aluminum, right? So this is actually a famous catalyst, and it is a Ziegler-Natta catalyst, right? So this is a Ziegler-Natta catalyst, right? So I can write here as Ziegler-Natta catalyst, right? So I can write here as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. This is Ziegler-Natta catalyst, right? And this Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used in the polymerization reaction, right? Is used in the polymerization reaction, right? Is used in polymerization reaction, right? So this Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used in the polymerization reaction, right? And in the option C, or you can say in the C part, we have given the catalyst that is PDCl2, right? We have given the catalyst that is PDCl2, right? So this catalyst is used in the Wacker process, right? This catalyst is used in the Wacker process, right? Wacker process. A Wacker process is a process in which alkene, right? So in which alkene is converted into the aldehyde or ketone, right? Aldehyde or ketone, right? So I can write here as aldehyde or ketone. Alkene is converted into aldehyde or ketone. We have used catalyst like this PDCl2, right? And if I talk about the iron oxide, right? And if I talk about the iron oxide D, right? So I can write here as that the iron oxide, right? So this is iron oxide. This catalyst is used in the Haber process, right? This catalyst is used in the Haber process. Now, what is Haber process? Haber process is that process in which we manufacture the ammonia just by using N2 nitrogen plus 3 mole of H2 hydrogen. It will give the 2 mole of ammonia, right? So this reaction is catalyzed by speed up by the iron oxide, which is used as a catalyst, right? And in this we use also molybdenum as a promoter, right? So this is the basic information about the catalyst and the product, right? So let's see the option. And if I see the diagram, or you can say if I match the column, we know that V2O5, right? V2O5 is used for the H2SO4, right? We know that V2O5 is used for the H2SO4, right? So A becomes 3, right? So I can write here as A has a 3, right? A has a 3. A is matched with 3, third, right? So this is third, right? And TiCl4 AlMe3 B is matched with, it is used for the polymerization reaction, right? It is used for the polymerization reaction, right? So it will be polyethylene, right? So polyethylene is a polymer reaction, right? Polyethylene is a polymer, right? So for B, I can write as for B, it is 1, right? So B is matched with 1, right? B is matched with 1. And PDCl2. PDCl2 is used in the vector process, and in the vector process, alkene is converted into aldehyde and ketone, right? Aldehyde and ketone, right? So here is ethanol, and ethanol is aldehyde, right? So I can say this C is related to second, right? So I can say that C is related to second, right? So C is related to second. And the fourth one, iron oxide, right? So D is related to, automatically it will be related to fourth, right? That is the formation of ammonia, which is Haber process, right? So this will be the answer, right? So let's check the option. Option A third, right? A third. And B second, B fourth, right? B fourth. But we are getting B first, right? So this option eliminate, right? Option A will be become wrong answer, right? And B A second, right? It is also a wrong answer because we are getting A third, and C A fourth, right? And right, so A, we are getting A second, right? So here A second, so A second, and here it is H2SO4, right? So this is B2O5 ethanol, right? And here C is fourth, right? And A is fourth, right? So A is fourth, right? This is also a wrong answer, right? And so if I talk about the C is wrong answer, and because then A is also fourth, so here is this is wrong answer, right? So here I can say that the A has a third, right? A is third answer, right? So third option, and you can say this B is first, B is first, right? So B is for first. So and you can say that B is for first, right? So here we are not matching the answer, right? So the correct answer will be like this answer, right? The correct answer will be this answer, right? So in the option, all options are a wrong answer, right? So all options are wrong answer. And just let me see one more. A has a third, right? So third, A has a third, right? So V2O5 is for H2SO4, right? And B4, it is a Ziegler-Natta catalyst which is used in the polymerization reaction, right? So B4, it cannot be used for the ammonia, right? So it is used for the polythene, right? So it is used for the polythene. So it must have a first part, right? First product, right? That is polythene. So B must have a first. So B must have a first, and A must have a third. And if I talk about the C, C is third, second, C is second, and second is C is second. Second is ethanol, right? So PDCl2 is used in the Wacker process, right? And in this one, Wacker process, alkene is converted into aldehyde, right? So it must be second. It must be second, but it is here first, right? So this also wrong. So this must be second, and D must be fourth, right? So this is the correct answer, right? So I can assign it here E, right? So this will be the correct answer, right? So all the four options are wrong, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.